How to use ClickUp API. Once you have logged into your ClickUp account, we will click on our profile icon in the top right corner, and then here we will have to select the option for settings. Once we're taken to the settings page, from the left hand side you will be able to see ClickUp API. We just want to select it, and it will tell us that if we want to build an app that makes ClickUp better, then we'll just click on this option here, this blue text, to create an app. Now we will have to create an app name, so for example ClickUp test, and the redirect URL. So here we will actually need to type out the URL or multiple URLs. If we click on create app, then this will give us our ID as well as our API key here, which we can copy like so, and we can show or regenerate. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.